what is your proposed benchmark for a total peso amount deposited in a bank or banks that would constitute evidence of betrayal of public trust? Ano sa tingin mo? Kung total na, suma total na, huwag lang yung dolyar dahil may Supreme Court ruling tayo doon. Sa pesos, ano sa tingin mo ang dapat na minimum na sabihin mo may betrayal of public trust, public official man o hindi? Mga ano kaya?
Ang tingin, Your Honor, ang tingin ko dito, pag sobra sa dineclare niya doon sa SALN niya, kasi dinedeclare niya naman 3.5, pag sobra doon, ay that would already constitute betrayal of public trust.
Sobra by how much? Halimbawa, a few pesos, natural you can excuse that, but by how much? So in other
Like,
words,
for example,
give me a benchmark.
yes.
Give me a benchmark figure.
Ngayon
Just
po,
pluck
yung
it out of the air.
napakita namin na 31 million,
31
Your Honor,
million.
that would
That would be a
already a
benchmark.
clear case of betrayal of public
Betrayal
trust.
of public trust.